Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you the rules for rounding. When we are rounding, we first need to recognize what place value is it that the question is asking us to round to. In my example, we're going to round to the nearest thousand. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to underline that place. It's asking me to round to the nearest thousand, so I underline the thousand place. My second step is to look at the neighbor to the right. So if I'm rounding to the nearest thousands, I'm going to look at this digit in the hundreds place, and I'm going to circle that digit. Then I have to think about my rules for rounding. If that circled digit is 4 or less, that means I'm going to let it rest, or it's going to stay the same. If that circled digit is 5 or more, I'm going to up the score, or I'm going to add one more. So in my example, since my neighbor is a 6, I have to up the score, meaning I need to add one more to my thousands place. Once I've added one more to my thousands place, meaning my 2 becomes a 3, anything to the left stays the same. I don't have a digit to the left, so I don't have to worry about that. And anything to the right becomes a zeros. So all these digits after my thousands place to the right all become a 0. So let's do an example together. Let's round 4,236 to the nearest thousands place. So first, underline the place. Then I need to look at my neighbor to the right and circle it. So I'm going to circle the digit 2 in the hundreds place. Go back to my rules. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. So I'm looking at my circled digit. If my circled digit is 4 or less, which the digit 2 is less than 4, that means my 4 is going to stay the same. So it does not change. I don't have a digit to the left, but anything to the right becomes zeros. So all these digits to the right become zeros, okay? So 4,236 rounded to the nearest thousands place is now 4,000. You might want to write down these rules in your notebook so you have them with you when you need to do your independent work and when we're working together in our small groups.